Hello everyone, this printer is Brother MFC-L2800DW. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer and your laptop using USB cable. So if you go at the back of the printer, on the bottom is the USB port. First port on the bottom is USB port. You connect the cable to the USB port. Then take the other end of the cable, connect it to your laptop. So the next thing to do is you need to go to your laptop settings, go to printers and scanners. So select add a device. It's going to search for available device. Brother MFC/L2800 is found. If you select on it, it's showing us idle, print test page, receiving data. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your Microsoft IPP class driver on laptop. Data raw USB 019. So this is how to connect this printer and your laptop together via USB cable and print out a test page. Thank you very much indeed.